I will kill that gator monster.
Yes, we have to save Carrie.
How about we, when some time the nets, we'll go capture it.
Okay, let's go. I hope the gator monster doesn't have the net.
Right in front of your eyes, tying it peacefully.
Hurry up, Billy, let's go capture it. I have to save Billy. I don't care if I die.
Now we caught you.
Who are you? Where did you come from?
I used to be a human being, but I got turned into this gator by the evil witch of the forest.
Hey, let's go to the wizard. Hello, my friend. How can I help you?
Well, this gator here needs to be turned back into a human.
Let me see if I have the potion. I'm sorry, I have everything but the pickled eyeballs.
Let's come here and let me find some pickles and eyeballs. Let me smash them together to make pickled eyeballs.
Let me stir it up.
Okay, now you have to take